Hi everyone, we are pleased to introduce our latest release. Packed with new features, enhancements, and improvements, this release is designed to be the perfect gift for your SCADA process. One of the most requested features in SpecView is the ability to visualize ramp soak profiles before they are run. With SpecView's new pre-plot functionality, that's now possible. As you can see on the screen, we've updated the batch demo project to include this feature. When we toggle between recipes, the pre-plot updates instantly, showing exactly what the ramp soak profile will look like before it's run. This gives operators a clear preview of the process, helping reduce errors and increase confidence before a profile even begins. Buttons can now show live values, saving screen space and making operator interactions clearer and more intuitive. Previously, buttons were only able to display fixed text. Users can now easily change the display format of values in SpecView. This is especially useful when working with features such as write text to another text string and chart notes. For example, I want to use the SpecView date-time variable and this batch number variable to create a batch ID. However, I want the date-time variable to appear in a different format, and I want a leading 0 for the batch number when used in the batch ID. Now, with this new feature of being able to edit the display formats of these values, I can create my batch ID. Also, chart notes now support scientific notation, making values like TOR readings easier to read at a glance. SpecView can now leverage the Python programming language to support more advanced automation logic and calculations. For example, I have multiple values on the screen that a Python script is averaging. The script lets me know when the average is over an upper limit by turning on a flag in SpecView. This perfectly emulates a real-life in-range example that many SCADA processes require. I was able to create this example logic with just 6 lines of code. Python integration is ideal for customers who need to do lots of complex calculations or comparisons. Log files are now easier to customize, allowing users to select multiple variables and reorder them to produce cleaner, more meaningful reports. We've enhanced the generic Modbus driver to support individual bits within a 32-bit long word. This commonly used data type in PLCs and similar instruments can now be accessed through SpecView, giving users greater flexibility in designing their SCADA projects. SpecView's enhanced web server now allows users to interact with SpecView from a cell phone or a tablet. As you can see on the screen, I am navigating the project through a web page on my phone. Also, SpecView records a log of all the web requests in addition to password protection and a web server status variable to address any potential security issues. If there are any questions regarding any of the features mentioned in the video, please check out our online help beginning with the release notes, or feel free to contact us. Our contact details are in the description below. Till next time, thank you so much for watching and happy holidays.